Are you a homeowner looking to enhance your roof's durability and aesthetics? Have you noticed leaks or wear and tear that compromise the safety and beauty of your home? We understand how frustrating it can be when your roof fails to protect your haven. That's where we come in. Our expert Mangalore Tile Roofing contractors specialize in high-quality Mangalore tile roofing solutions, known for their strength and long-lasting appeal. With our skilled team, you can transform your home into a fortress against the elements while adding a touch of elegance to your property. We prioritize your needs, providing unmatched craftsmanship paired with the best materials. Our Mangalore tile roofs not only stand up to harsh weather but also provide excellent insulation, helping you save on energy costs. Take the first step towards a stunning transformation today. Contact us for a free consultation and discover how a new Mangalore tile roof can elevate your living space. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.